What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to finish the quest, Scientia's Trouble in Sandcastle. Your friendship with Quitai. How do you pronounce that? Quitai has reached casual acquaintance. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the tips for what foods you is the best to give and what foods gives the most points. So let's get started. Okay, this guys, you need flour. This is flour, by the way. Wait. I'm gonna show you my bag. There, fine flour. It comes from wheat, which you can buy on your camp. The wheat, later I will show you. You can buy it there and plant it on your house, backyard, and then you can get this one, the wheat, and then you can convert it to flour by using that one from Goodies Maker tea. Okay, so let's clear our house. Come on, too fast. Okay, so what you need is here is flour and meat. Any meat will do. So let's try putting 2. See, you got mince pie. This pie gives 850 points. So the limit per day which you can give gift to that guy that on your quest is only 6. So if you make 6 mince pie, it will convert to 5,000 plus, I think. So you will finish the quest in just one try. Okay, so let's craft this. You can also put this one. You can also put like that. You get also mince pie. 3 flour, 1 mince pie. 3 meat, 1 flour, mince pie. Okay. Let's make 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this one is no good. Let's just try something else. So guys, as you can see, we already finished cooking. Oh, what's this? Sandwich. I'll experiment that one. We already finished the pies here. We got, I think, 5 pies. Let's take a look at the bag. 5 pie. This is a rare one. Oh, this is a rare one. I don't know how many points does this one give, because it's a rare one. So let's try. Okay guys, I'm gonna board the helicopter. Let's go to Yeah. By the way, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any videos that I make, and you will really help my channel to grow. So please guys, help, just click the subscribe button. Alright, here we go. By the way, Quitai is also right there. He's with Lina. He's the guy with I don't know what the name of the other girl on the base. The girl that you give your diamond stone and she will reward you items like wood stone. That's why my map is blinking right there. See? Because I have a diamond stone in my backpack. Okay. There's a sandstorm coming. I've been playing this game for I think a week, but for me this game is awesome. Very good game made by NetEase. This is the girl I'm telling guys. Senbi. Let's switch to this one. Senbi. See, if you give her your stone, and she will give you dollar and tinor. That's all. And this is Quitai. See guys, this is my quest, and I'm gonna give him this. But my attempts today is already zeroed. So I'm gonna show you. See? Oh my god. That's 1,250. That's a rare pie. 1,250. Oh my god. If you give him 4 of that, you already finish your quest. See guys, it's 870. 870. This one is 1,060. That's a sandwich. But the pie is also 1,060. This one. Wow. Okay. So let's try sending it. Let's try giving her this one. No, she doesn't like this. So every person here in this quest here, in this quest, this one, they like different foods. Okay guys, so I'm gonna post later on after I finish this Quitai quest. So I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching guys. See you tomorrow, and please like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot, and thank you.